Hi there. Here's a quick description of how you do this task, right? These are multiplication squares. So in this grid here, it says that you need to times things. And so you take, for example, the root 10 and root 8, and you multiply those two together to fill out this square here, because that one's the one above it, that's the one to the left, right? Now, it doesn't always want you to fully simplify them. This one, there's no little line in front. Over here, if you see there's a little line in front, that means it wants you to simplify it, put one number at the front, one number in the square root. This one wants you to just put stuff in the square root because there's no space at the front for the extra bit, okay? So 8 times 10 inside the square root would actually be root 80. Now, what about this one? This one does have a 2 at the front, so it wants it to be simplified to that. But first of all, I'm going to times root 8 and root 6 together. Well, 6 eighths are 48. Now I need to simplify that to get 2 at the front. That means I need to simplify this to be 4 times something. That's the square number I'm looking for. 4 times 12 equals 48, doesn't it? Now remember, you can rewrite those as separate square roots. So root 4 times root 12. Root 4 turns into 2, so it's 2 root 12. So the number inside the square root there is 12. And you do that for all of these. Or this one down here, there's nothing there, so it probably wants you to fully simplify it. Well, root 6 times root 6 would be root 36, but which of course we can simplify to just 6, isn't it? Because you can square root 36. In fact, we should have known that really, because a surd times itself, the square root disappears, doesn't it? Root 6 times root 6 is just 6. Root 10 times 6 be root 60. But it wants a 2 on the outside. Well, that's going to come from a square root of 4. So I'm not going to write the whole simplifying thing out here. I'll just try and work out what 4 times what makes 60. Well, that's 4 times 15. Okay, so we've separated out into 4 times 15, just like I did with this 48. I've just not written this step here where they're both inside the square root. And that simplifies, the root 4 simplifies to 2, and the 15 stays as it is. Okay, so if there's a space at the front to put a number, you need to simplify it to put it, or it might already have a number at the front like these ones, so it's telling you, what's there, so what else goes on the inside. Just, if you've had a chance to do this, just do your best before the end of the lesson. The second page has got the answers on, so you can check. Okay, good luck.